Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check battery health of HyperOS device. Since you all know that we don't have any option in setting like iPhone in these Android phones. So all we have to do for checking battery health, just go to About Phone and click on Detail Info and Specs. In CPU, just click 7 times here and then the bug report is now start downloading. Just wait for downloading here. In downloading process it may take some time. Guys, this is the only legal method to check the battery health of HyperOS device. As you know, we don't have any option like iPhone in these devices. So as you guys see, the report is downloaded. Just go to file manager and then we have this option here. Just click on bug report 2024 and then extract it. Go to internal shared and as you guys see and then click on extract. After extracting, just go to bug report 2024 here and click on this bug report Redmi Note. After clicking it, just select WPS or any document reader and then this window appears. After this, we have option of bug report Sapphire Global. Just click here and open the document. So this is a document of whole bug report. Just wait for a while because the file is now loading. It may take 5 to 6 seconds more. Now as you see, we have option of edit here. Just go to edit and click here. Click on view, click on find and replace. Right here battery capacity and search. As you see, we have estimated battery capacity here. So just memorize this 4850 and I have Redmi Note 13 in which default battery is 5000 mAh. So the estimated battery is 4850. Just go to calculator and write 4850 divided by default battery of Redmi Note 13 which is 5000 mAh and then multiply it by 100 to see battery percentage. So my Redmi Note 13 device has 97% battery health. This is how we can check the battery health in HyperOS. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks, and also click the bell icon so you never miss any update from this channel. See you guys in next video. Take care.